Always thought you loved that black C71 more than you love me. Mama always told me boys like you would run, not for keeps. You called me up to tell me you were working late, but I heard right now you're dancing with little Miss Jane. Birds been talking up on the wire, spilling your secrets all over this town. You and her back were pulling all nighters. Did you really think that I wouldn't find out? Oh, so I found a little gas in a small red can. Oh, last strung match running out of my hand. Liar, liar, truck on fire, flames rolling off of your Goodyear tires. Burn, burn, you're gonna learn. Never should have put your lips on her. Should've known from the way that you never left your phone sitting by the bed, or the way that you laughed it off when I was catching on. Said it was in my head. Did you think that I wouldn't smell that cheap perfume? You'll have to find a new ride, 'cause the joke's on you. Birds been talking up on the wire, spilling your secrets all over this town. You and her back were pulling all nighters. Did you really think that I wouldn't find out? Oh, so I found a little gas in a small red can. Oh, last strung match running out of my hand. Liar, liar, truck on fire, flames rolling off of your Goodyear tires. Burn, burn, you're gonna learn. Never should have put your lips on her. Put your lips on her. Burn, 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 baby. You're burn, 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 baby. Birds been talking up on the wire, spilling your secrets all over this town. You and her back were pulling all nighters. Did you really think that I wouldn't find out? Oh, so I found a little gas in a small red can. Oh, last strung match running out of my hand. Liar, liar, truck on fire, flames rolling off of your Goodyear tires. Burn, burn, you're gonna learn. Never should have put your lips on her.
Let's learn Liar, Liar, Truck on Fire. It's choreographed by Jeanne, Chamas and Kristine Otero. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy improver level line dance with a restart on wall 6 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Liar, Liar, Truck on Fire. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a rumba box. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, step forward with your right and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot, step back with your left and touch your right next to your left. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your rumba box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do step backs with kicks. So we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to kick your left foot low and forward. We're now going to step back with our left foot and kick our right foot low and forward. We're now going to do a full count coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, step forward with your right foot, and then you're going to step slightly forward with your left. And if you would like to make this a stomp, you can. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our rumba box, stepping back with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do right and left lock step with brush. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the diagonal. You're now going to take your left foot, bring it in and behind your right, step your right foot forward and brush your left foot forward. We're now going to step our left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left. Step your left foot forward and brush your right foot. Now, as you brush your right foot on this, you want it to slightly go towards the left because we are going to do a turn over our left shoulder, stepping with our right for section 4, and this will help make that transition easier. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your right lockstep with brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around over our left shoulder, and as we step, we're going to hold. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot, and you're going to hold. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, and hold. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and hold. And then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward and hold. And if you would like to make this a stomp, you can. So let's try that with some counts. We just brushed our right foot. You're doing your walk around. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rumba box. So it's side together, forward touch, side together, back touch, back kick, coaster, step, 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 lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, quarter walk, hold, quarter walk, hold, step, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rumba box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 6. It will be the second time that we're doing our 3 o'clock wall. We're going to dance the first 16 counts, which is up to your coaster, step, step. Now, when you do this step, you want to make sure that you're not stepping too far forward and make your step closer to your right so that you can go into your rumba box a little more comfortable. So let's try it all the way through to that restart, and then you will know where it happens in the dance. Weights on your left, you're going to do your rumba box, so it's side together, forward touch, side together, back touch, back kick, coaster, step, step. Start over, side together, forward touch, side together, back touch. And that is the only time that you have to worry about any change in the dance is on wall 6. After that, you'll just dance all the way through until the end of the song. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rumba box. So you're going side together, forward touch, side together, back touch, back kick, coaster, step, 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 lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, quarter walk, hold, quarter walk, hold, step, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rumba forward, rumba back, step, back kick, coaster, step, 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 lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, quarter walk, hold, hold, quarter walk, hold, step, hold, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rumba box. Now your step back and kick, and your coaster, step, 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 lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, walk around. It's right, left, right, left. 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now there's no ending listed. The dance will end facing the side wall. If you're somebody that likes to end facing the front, instead of doing a 3/4 walk around, I just did a half walk around so that I end facing 12 o'clock, because our final wall is a 6 o'clock facing wall. So you will dance through, and instead of ending facing 9 o'clock, I just walk to the front and then pose to face 12 o'clock. But again, you don't have to. You can just dance through to the end of the song. That choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Liar, Liar, Truck on Fire. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Always thought you loved that black C71 more than you love me. Mama always told me boys like you would run, not for keeps. You called me up to tell me you were working late, but I heard right now you're dancing with little Miss Jane. Birds been talking up on the wire, spilling your secrets all over this town. You and her back were pulling all nighters. Did you really think that I wouldn't find out? Oh, so I found a little gas in a small red can. Last struck match running out of my hand. Liar, liar, truck on fire, flames rolling off of your Goodyear tires. Burn, burn, you're gonna learn. Never should have put your lips on her. Should've known from the way that you never left your phone sitting by the bed, or the way that you laughed it off when I was catching on. Said it was in my head. Did you think that